Hi everyone, this is Lucy. For today's recipe I'm making simple dinner rolls. For this recipe we're using 1 tablespoon of fresh yeast and 1.5 cups of warm water. The water should be between 100 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm taking from that water half of a cup and dissolve the yeast. And in the yeast I'm going to mix 1 tablespoon of sugar. In a big bowl, I'm going to mix 3 cups of all-purpose flour with 2 tablespoons of sugar. Also, I'm adding 1/2 of a teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix all of the dry ingredients and then add 1 cup of the warm water. By now the yeast should be bubbly, so I'm adding it to the flour mixture. Then with a spatula or a big spoon, start mixing everything together. You can use your mixer to make this recipe, but I want to show you that you can do your dinner rolls without the need of a machine. At this point the dough is very wet and I mix it until everything is together. Then I empty the bowl onto my working surface with a little bit of flour and start kneading the dough. As you knead the dough, add about 1 tablespoon of flour just to start making one cohesive ball. Do not use too much flour because then it will become too hard to handle. Keep your dough soft. And this process will take about 20 minutes. You will know when the dough is ready when it doesn't stick to your hands anymore or the working surface, and you will have a very elastic ball. I'm going to grease a large bowl in which I'm going to place the dough and let it rise for about 1 hour. The best place to put the dough to rise is inside your oven with the light on. Cover the bowl and place it inside the oven. Do not turn on the oven, just turn on the light. And let it rise 1 hour. Grease the baking pan where you're going to be baking the rolls. Take out the dough from the oven. Place the dough on the working surface. Add a little bit of flour if it's necessary so it won't stick to your surface. And start making a cylinder about 12 inches long. And then divide the cylinder. This cylinder will make about 12 dinner rolls. All depends how big you want your dinner rolls. You can make them as big or as small as you want. I'm making different shapes, so I'm making a little ball, form a patty, and then roll. This is one way of making dinner rolls. Or making a little ball and making a cross right in the center. Let them rest for about 30 minutes before you place them in a 325 degrees oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. I hope you like this recipe. There's nothing better than a dinner roll fresh out of the oven with a little bit of butter. I hope you like this video and that you come back to see me again. Please subscribe if you have not done so. I hope to see you soon. Buen provecho. Bye bye.